Welcome to the presentation of the Global Dashboard. Since it is a customized feature, you can set up your interface as you wish by adding indicators by clicking here. This feature allows you to have an overview of the projects to which you participate. The indicators you have created are displayed as cards. Click on an indicator to see the different projects, their dates, their progress. You can choose to display the indicators in rounded days, in hours, or days and hours. By clicking here, you can see the task lists of a project as well as progress data. By clicking here, you can see the tasks of a project with the dates. Here, a bar chart allows you to view the progress distribution for the tasks of the list only. This dashboard and the indicators of progress allow a combination between planning and time management. For more information, please visit our online help available at any time in the top right corner.